If you snooze, you lose, huh? Trouble in nursing, medicine is desperate, guys. Chaos is setting in, and there are a lot of people out there asleep at the wheel. I hate talking about trouble, and it has nothing to do with medicine. However, nevertheless, what's happening in medicine is going to spill over. The things they're doing will affect all professions. For those who are following along, you can see the movement. Pay attention, pay attention. This year is a very important year. We have politics in nursing. We have the change of council members, president, and the regional nursing councils anyway. We have politics in Brazil. We have medicine is desperate. We have the Ministry of Education canceling new courses, suspending things from poor quality programs. Man, you have no idea about what's happening, I'll tell you. And Eater, how is all this going to affect nursing, everything that's happening? So stay tuned, don't miss anything. We're here bringing you the information, sharing my perspective, and well, I hope it's just Eder's wrong perception. Because if I'm right, we could be in trouble in the future. I hope I'm wrong, okay? Root for Eater here to be completely wrong. Because if I'm right, guys, we're literally going to be in trouble. Shall we go on? Guys, here's the thing. Let's start with the drama first. When we talk about drama, actually, it's a conflict in nursing. I'm not going to mention names. Those who are watching already know what's going on. So the first point is, guys, drama isn't good for anyone. And when we talk about nursing, it's terrible for us. Man, there's medicine trying to take over everyone from other fields out there. And inside nursing, drama starts happening, man. Man, if you're involved in the drama, and maybe you've been following me for many years, whether you're on one side or the other, don't mention anyone's name. Guys, let's try to unite. Let's try to be strong. This is the moment when we all need to be together. And I'm not even talking about the pact. That's already an old issue that we have to fight for. I'm talking about people caught up in drama, saying things. Guys, do we have problems inside the council, inside nursing? Of course we do. And that's why elections are important. So that you can run for office, join a slate, become a council member, become president, to change what you don't agree with. Now, stirring up trouble like that only weakens our profession. So, if you think there are things to improve, and I believe there's a lot that can be improved, for sure, get involved. Join the nursing political movement, become a council member, maybe even a president, fight for our profession, see how it is, how the system works. But dividing, talking about drama and mistakes, about things going on in there, man, that doesn't solve anything. It doesn't solve anything, so get in and change reality. Go there and change the game. If you don't like what you see, go there and change it, whether it's A from A or A from B. So do that, for God's sake. Stop with this. Because we need to have two focuses that I, Eater, believe we need. The issue of our recognition through policy, right? PEC 19 wage floor, the 30-hour work week, and so on. So this is something that everyone needs to be united to solve. And now, guys, we have to protect ourselves and solve it, because the medical profession is coming at us hard. Guys, there aren't enough jobs for all the doctors who have already graduated. Even less for those who are still coming. Medicine is desperate. Medicine left the door wide open, and now what does she want to do? Worse than the Medical Act. She wants to restrict the freedom of other professions. I don't know if you guys have seen a video that's going around from the people at the top brass, from the medical council. They want to put doctors together with dentists. I don't know if you saw that, man. The doctor next to the dentist. You can't do a procedure in the mouth without having a doctor next to you. Man, that's absurd. You get it? So, why am I talking about dentistry? Because, when you think the problem won't reach us, it's already here. People are fighting because of aesthetics. There are serious issues that need to be addressed. We can't lose focus, seriously. For God's sake, we can't lose focus. Do you get the point? So, man, it's ridiculous. Imagine any procedure you're going to have done in your mouth with a dentist, you have to have a doctor there. According to information from videos I saw, I listened to the video. The medical professional is responsible for the whole body. In other words, I let dentistry work do its thing there. But, like, I'm the one in charge. Man, what does a doctor know about dentistry, for God's sake? He barely knows about the head and neck if he doesn't study. Now, dental stuff, man. Dental stuff. You now need a doctor with you, and soon there will be one just to help insert a catheter. Do you see? Soon a doctor will be next to the nurse just for that. Do you understand what's happening? Why? We have to make room for the doctors who have graduated. Remember the video I made last week? About the guy who can't pass the medical proficiency exam, that he can get a statement saying he's graduated in medicine, that he can be a medical technician, right? That's not really a thing, but just what we talked about in the last video. Guys, there's a lot going on. So this is the time for us to be strong, so we don't lose what we have, what we do. Because as long as we keep our heads down, complaining about the boards, complaining about everything, man, medicine is going all out. It's hitting everyone hard. You know why? Because it's already sunk. And now it wants to drag everyone down with it. Or rather, so it doesn't go down. It wants to drag everyone down so it can try to come back. Because before all these other health professions existed, medicine was always the one in charge. Other professions began to appear. It's just that medicine is now oversaturated. Doctors who don't want to work in rural areas. They want to stay in big cities. There are too many doctors. Doctors want to be in several groups. To take shifts for pay, that's downright shameful for doctors, when we consider the responsibility that this professional has. So what is the medical council doing to try to give more opportunities to doctors? Trying to push medicine into areas handled by other health professions. Are we going to take them all? Nursing, physical therapy, dentistry, pharmacy. So soon the pharmacist won't be able to work unless there's a doctor next to him. I mean, what's the point of this? To increase medicine's monopoly. So we have to stay alert. And not get caught up in arguments about Council A, Council B, or the council from such and such state. Guys, we make mistakes. We have problems. We need to solve the problems. And if you can see the problems, man, that's awesome. How do we solve these problems? Do you see the problem and have a solution too, man? Get into politics. Go for it. You'll help our profession get better. Maybe the mistakes we're making mean we need new people in those positions. It could be you who's watching this video. You can. Why can't you? If you have your nursing license, you can sign up, create a slate, join the team of council members, become a president, and defend the profession. Instead of just talking, take action. Don't stay there trying to divide our group. We need to come together. AIDER's role is to transform nursing in Brazil through knowledge. The role I try to play here is to share knowledge, because I truly believe that knowledge will set us free. And I also share information here. So everyone, come on, let's stop with this drama. And you all should stop commenting on drama posts, because that feeds both sides. So, when someone goes there and starts drama mentioning nurse A, nurse B, council A, council B, you're fueling the drama. Stop doing that. So, for us to solve this, we shouldn't give them a platform. Don't give a platform to anyone who's causing drama. Man, talking bad about our profession. Here's the thing. We already know this happens, but it's bad. It only divides us. This shouldn't be happening. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? Let's not give drama a platform. Let's give a platform to our profession, to strengthening our profession. You understand? So if you think nursing is undervalued, medicine is watching, wanting to take a lot of what we do. Pay attention, okay? Otherwise, we might end up left with nothing in a few days, you know? Unfortunately, keep an eye out.